Hello, welcome to the new video. In this video, we are going to learn that how we can create and format tables in Power BI. So let's get started. There are two ways to create a table in Power BI. The first way is to just drag the columns inside values field. So I'm going to drag the city column inside values and then sales and then profit. So here's our table. Let's increase its size. The font size of this table looks too small, so let's first increase the font size. To increase the font size, we have to click here on this tab, Format Your Visual. Just click here and we will expand Values tab. Before increasing the values size, let me tell you that there are three parts in each column: header, values, and total. Right now, we are going to increase the size of all the values, either in values or in total. So to increase the size, we will just put here 16 points instead of 10. Now, let's just collapse this and expand the column's header. Now, we are going to increase the header's size. So we will put here 20 points and we will align this at the center. So here is our table now. Now let's go in the field tab. In the table, we have three columns: city, sum of sales, and sum of profit. We have a column with name sales, but here you can see that the column name has been changed to sum of sales. It is because it's showing the sum of sales in all these cities. We can change this by just clicking here on this down arrow. Here you can see that right now it is showing the sum of sales. Let's click here on average of sales. Now it is showing the average of sales in all these cities. We can again click here on this drop arrow and change it into don't summarize. Now here you can see that it is only sales now. Let's change them again into sum. Now we are going to change these values into percent. These values are in decimal. We are going to change them into percentage. To change them into percentage, we have to click here on down arrow, click here on show value as, and click on percent of grand total. Now let's talk about the another way to create a table. Let's first remove this table. To remove this table, we just have to click here on this table and press the delete key from our keyboard. We can also create tables by using the visualizations section. Inside visualizations section, we have to click here on table and the table will be inserted. This table has a single field with name columns. Let's put city, sales, and the profit. Here you can see that we have to increase the font size of this table again. To avoid doing this again and again for all future tables, we can change the font size in the theme customization. For this, we just have to click here on view, click here on down arrow, and click on customize current theme. Now we will go in text and increase the size from 10 to 16. That's it. Just click here on apply and the size has been increased. That's it. So this was all about creating and formatting the table. If you want to know more about formatting the table, then click on the suggested video. That's all for this video.